Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video, we talked about converting to the second normal form, and we said that this is all about removing our partial dependencies. So in today's video, we will be talking about converting to the third normal form, which is all about removing your transitive dependencies that have been identified so far. So if you remember in our previous videos, when we were converting to the first normal form and the second normal form, we actually identified transitive dependencies, and we said that for us to fully normalize databases, we want to get rid of both partial dependencies and transitive dependencies and only have proper functional dependencies, and that's when we would have normalized our databases to a desired state. Um, just also a quick reminder, a transitive dependency is when a dependent attribute is not dependent on any part of the primary key. So in our example table down below here, we said that our student ID there and our supervisor ID would be our composite primary key because we can use these two to retrieve or to determine all the other attributes in our table. Alternatively, you could use your student ID and your course code, and you would still be able to retrieve all the other attributes in the table. And then just a quick reminder as well, we converted our tables or our table to the first normal form where we identified our composite primary key, but then we still had our partial dependencies and our transitive dependency. And then in the second normal form video, we converted to the second normal form where we broke down the table further into multiple tables, wherein we had our proper functional table, which is our student table, and we had our supervisor cause table, which was our proper functional dependency, but it still had a transitive dependency, and we also had our result table, which was in a desired state. So in this video, we can see that in the tables that we have, this is in the desired state and there is nothing more we can do to it. Same as the student table, it's in its desired state and there's nothing we can do to it. What we need to do though is to remove the transitive dependency that we have in our supervisor cause table. And basically here, this is going to be very simple and straightforward. So if we take our course code here, we can actually use the course code to retrieve the course name, and that then becomes our other table, which is going to be our courses table. So I'm just gonna duplicate this quickly so we can show it properly. And then our course name. And then I'm gonna give it a name, which is going to be our course table. But also remember, when we fully normalize or normalize to also remember that we need to name it and put the proper functional dependency on top of the diagram to show that this is in a desirable state. Remember, now that we've normalized this, we need to remove the dependent from the table that we broke it off from, but then we keep our primary key because it then becomes a foreign key in this other table. So this one needs to go. So I'm just going to remove it quickly. And there you have it. We have normalized our table, which was this one, into one, two, three, four tables in total. And that's what we call normalizing from the first normal form, second normal form to the third normal form. And that's it for this video. Please don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.